How to restore Binance Web3 wallets. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, you need to make sure to log in to your Binance app. For that, launch Binance application from your mobile device and then log in to your Binance account. So currently, you need to complete your identity verifications to get different features on your Binance application. Currently, I haven't yet verified my identity. So if you have, you need to tap on wallets at bottom right corner of the screen. And on this overview section, at top right corner, you need to select Web3. There is no such option right now on my device. But if you have any, select that, and then you need to click on register button and wait for the register option to appear if it hasn't yet, and then tap register. After that, you need to input the password saved during wallet creation. Choose the Google account where the wallet backup is stored, and the register process will start and complete in 5 to 10 seconds. And you need to enter the Google Authenticator and email codes to complete the restoration. After that, your restoration will be done. You need to note that restoration is only possible if you backed up the wallet to Google Drive during creation. Without a backup, recovery is not feasible. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.